guys, HONOR is not holding back this time. This phone even comes with a 2-year screen replacement guarantee if the display gets damaged from an accidental drop. Be honest, how many times have you dropped your phone unexpectedly? It happens when you least expect it. So today, we're taking a closer look at the HONOR X80 Pro Max, a device packed with an enormous 11,000 mAh battery, impressive waterproof protection, and serious drop resistance. If you're thinking about upgrading your phone anytime soon, this is one review you won't want to miss. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like and follow. Thanks for the support.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
First, let me explain what the X stands for here. It represents durability. With that out of the way, let's jump straight into the unboxing experience. Inside the box, along with the phone itself, you get a 90-watt fast charger, a white charging cable, a simple SIM ejector tool, and a semi-transparent clear protective case. The color I have is called Moon Shadow White, and honestly, does it remind you of something? It definitely resembles a certain flagship device from another brand. Whether that's a good thing or not is up to you, but one thing is undeniable. It looks premium. And it's not just the overall appearance that feels high-end. There are plenty of thoughtful design touches as well. The camera module features a lens-inspired texture, while the rear panel reflects light beautifully, creating a refined and luxurious look. The phone also feels surprisingly comfortable in the hand. It weighs around 203 grams, making it roughly 28 grams lighter than the Apple 17 Pro Max. To put that into perspective, that's almost like carrying half an egg less in your pocket. Despite the huge battery, the phone measures just 8.08 millimeters thick, which is about the same thickness as a Pro Air wearing a protective case. Being both slim and lightweight makes it incredibly comfortable to hold. Looking around the device, you'll find the volume rocker and power button on the right side, while the left side remains completely clean, giving it that seamless one-piece feel that many people appreciate. At the bottom, there's the SIM tray, microphone, USB Type-C charging port, and speaker. The top houses another microphone and speaker, meaning you get a dual speaker setup. However, you won't find the infrared sensor sitting on top like usual, which might make some people think it's missing. In reality, it's cleverly integrated into the earpiece area. Now let's talk about durability, because this is where the phone really stands out. Previous devices focused on being resistant to drops and impacts, but if you actually managed to break the screen, that was usually your problem. This time, HONOR is taking a different approach. If the display gets damaged due to an accidental drop within 2 years, the company will repair it completely free of charge, including both parts and labor. That's right, you can use the phone with much more confidence. And drop protection isn't the only impressive thing here. The waterproofing is on another level. You can throw it into water, freeze it inside a giant block of ice, and it keeps working. It can even handle hot water without any issues. So if you're worried about using your phone in the bathroom and accidentally dropping it into the toilet, don't panic. Just take it out, rinse it off, and continue using it. If the phone gets dirty while you're out and about, simply wash it clean. That's how a durable phone should be used. Smartphones aren't meant to be treated like fragile collectibles. They're everyday tools. You can even use it for underwater photography, which honestly feels far more exciting than taking ordinary landscape or portrait shots. Wouldn't you agree? The display itself is equally impressive. It features a 5.8-inch 1.5K OLED flat screen with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Another advantage is its compatibility with most screen protectors, including tempered glass options. The ultra-slim bezels give the phone a modern, futuristic appearance. Brightness is another highlight, reaching an incredible 10,000 nits peak brightness, making outdoor visibility excellent even under strong sunlight. For eye comfort, it includes 3840 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, which is especially beneficial for students and anyone who spends long hours looking at their screen. The screen also supports dynamic pixel shifting technology, helping reduce the risk of OLED burn-in and addressing one of the most common concerns people have about OLED panels. Simply put, this screen is built to last. As for performance, the chipset isn't designed to compete with the absolute flagship processors. However, what it does offer is excellent efficiency. Powered by the Snapdragon 6.5 chip launched last month and built on a 4-nanometer manufacturing process, it delivers solid performance while keeping power consumption impressively low. During testing, games like Honor of Kings were able to run at 90 Hz. While it may not be aimed at professional esports players, it's more than capable for casual gaming and everyday student use. Gameplay remains smooth, frame drops are minimal, and there are no noticeable slowdowns that would affect the overall experience.
When it comes to PUBG Mobile, the phone can maintain 60 FPS, which is still perfectly enjoyable for most players. On top of that, the dual speaker setup provides clear directional audio, helping you better identify where sounds are coming from. You know exactly what I'm talking about. As for that recently launched open-world mobile game, I have to say I was pleasantly surprised. The overall performance is quite smooth and far better than I initially expected. Then again, this device was never built as a hardcore gaming phone, so the gaming experience it delivers is already more than sufficient for its target audience. But beyond toughness, the biggest highlight here is undoubtedly the battery life. Even with its slim and lightweight body, the HONOR X80 Pro Max manages to pack an enormous 11,000 mAh 4th-generation low-profile battery. What does that actually mean? Well, the battery is larger than what you'll find in many tablets, and it offers more than double the capacity of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. That's honestly pretty crazy when you think about it. Charging is equally impressive. The phone supports 90-watt wired super-fast charging and even offers 27-watt wired reverse charging. If you're using this as a secondary device, it can practically double as a power bank. After all, plenty of power banks on the market don't even provide an 11,000 mAh capacity. And let me stress something important once again. A bigger battery doesn't just give you longer battery life, it also ages much better over time. For example, if a 5,000 mAh battery degrades to 80% health, you're left with only 4,000 mAh of usable capacity. But when an 11,000 mAh battery drops to 80%, you still have 8,800 mAh available. That's still significantly larger than a brand new 5,000 mAh. That's exactly why I feel confident saying this phone is built to stay reliable and resist battery aging for up to 6 years. Of course, even though the phone's battery life is exceptional, it still can't magically improve your gaming skills. Another thing that genuinely impressed me was that I couldn't really find any obvious weaknesses in the X series design philosophy. Signal performance is excellent thanks to the 2nd-generation Hongyan communication technology, which delivers a 66% improvement in cellular connectivity. Positioning accuracy is also outstanding. With dual-frequency GPS and triple-frequency Beidou support, finding your ride-hailing car or tracking a food delivery location becomes incredibly easy and precise. The phone also features a 400% ultra-high volume mode, making it especially practical for students and users who need louder audio output. Naturally, NFC and infrared support are included as well. That means you can use it for access control systems, remote control functions, and even photography-related tasks. On the camera side, the phone features a single 50-megapixel rear camera equipped with optical image stabilization. For everyday landscape shots and portrait photography, it's more than capable. The image quality is decent enough for daily use and certainly does more than simply scanning QR codes. And if you're willing to spend a little time learning composition and photography techniques, you can even capture shots that look surprisingly professional. At the end of the day, great photos depend more on the person behind the camera than the device itself. Wouldn't you agree? To wrap everything up, I honestly think the HONOR X80 Pro Max has the potential to change how many people look at smartphones. After spending years in the tech industry, I've realized that a huge number of users don't care much about cutting-edge camera systems or extreme performance. What they really want is reliable signal reception, accurate navigation, dependable battery life, and a phone that can survive everyday accidents. And that's exactly where this device shines. It's like being handed a pillow right when you're ready to fall asleep. It arrives with exactly the features many users have been asking for. Not only is it highly resistant to drops and built for long-term durability,
but it also introduces a 2-year screen replacement guarantee for accidental drop damage. That's something we rarely see, and it completely changes expectations for smartphone after-sales support while giving users genuine peace of mind. Battery anxiety and concerns about long-term battery degradation are also greatly reduced by the massive 11,000 mAh capacity. In many ways, this phone encourages a different way of using your device. You no longer need to treat it like a fragile collectible. If it gets dirty, rinse it. If it falls into water, it's not the end of the world. And when you pull it out in public, it definitely looks premium enough to turn heads. Unless someone is a dedicated tech enthusiast, most people would probably assume it's a flagship model. Considering everything it offers, the value proposition is incredibly strong. Battery life is pro. Durability is max. This isn't just a durable phone, it's a phone that's built to withstand real life. So now I'm curious, on a scale of 0 to 5, what rating would you give the HONOR X80 Pro Max? Pretty impressive camera too, right? Let me know what you think. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel. If you thought it was awesome, I'll see you in the next one. Take care, and bye-bye.